Hey Crunch Fat Clean friends, I want to talk about one of my favorite scrubbers. This is from Microfiber Wholesale. It has a nice scrubby side on one side and a nice thick absorbent part on the other side, so you can scrub and then wipe with the same thing. And then it's machine washable. I can use it I don't know how many times. And the best part is that it fits into those tiny, look at that, tiny little spots that thick scrubbers and brushes can't. That just goes right in. It slides right in. It's amazing. So I do still like the Scrub Daddy, but I love this sponge.
Cause it can't get in between tight places like faucets, but this one can, and it's also machine washable and reusable. I found this one and am in love. Obsessed.